What if you could unlock a single number that tells you more about your health than almost anything else? That's what BMI, or body mass index, offers. A simple yet powerful tool that gives you insight into your overall well-being. But BMI is more than just a number. It's a reflection of your lifestyle, habits, and long-term health prospects. If you're aiming to lose weight, improve your fitness, or just understand how healthy you really are, understanding your BMI is the first step on your journey to a better, healthier you. What is BMI and how is it calculated? BMI is a measure of your weight relative to your height. It's used to categorize individuals into different ranges, such as underweight, normal weight, overweight, or obese. While it's not the full picture of your health, it's an easy and reliable starting point for assessing whether you're on the right track. To calculate your BMI, you use the following formula: BMI equals weight in kilograms divided by height in meters squared. Or, if you prefer, you can use a BMI calculator available on most health apps or websites. Underweight, BMI less than 18.5. Normal weight, BMI between 18.5 and 24.9. Overweight, BMI between 25 and 29.9. Obese, BMI 30 and above. Knowing your BMI helps you better understand where you stand on the health spectrum and whether there's room for improvement. If you're in the normal range, great. But if you're above or below that, this guide will guide you on how to achieve a healthy BMI. Why maintaining a normal BMI is so important. Maintaining a normal BMI is about more than just looking good. It's about feeling good, staying healthy, and reducing the risk of serious health conditions. When you keep your BMI within the normal range, you're actively protecting yourself from long-term issues like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, joint problems, certain cancers, and sleep apnea. Carrying excess weight puts strain on your heart, joints, and organs, affecting your energy levels and overall quality of life. On the other hand, being underweight can lead to weakened immunity, malnutrition, and even mental health issues. But here's the good news. By aiming to maintain a normal BMI, you're also boosting your chances of living a longer, healthier, and more active life. You'll feel lighter, more energized, and more in control of your body. And that's the true essence of wellness. BMI and long-term health. The lifelong benefits. A normal BMI means much more than fitting into your favorite clothes. It represents a balanced lifestyle that prioritizes both physical and mental well-being. People who keep their BMI in check generally have more energy. Carrying excess weight often makes even simple tasks feel exhausting. When you maintain a healthy weight, you have more stamina for exercise, work, and fun activities with family and friends. They also experience better mood and mental clarity. Physical health directly impacts your mental well-being. A normal BMI can lead to reduced stress, anxiety, and even improved self-confidence. Additionally, maintaining a healthy BMI lowers your risk of developing preventable diseases like diabetes, hypertension, and other chronic conditions. You're not just avoiding illness, you're also ensuring that your body functions optimally. BMI. More than just a number. While BMI is an excellent starting point, it's important to remember that it's not a perfect measurement. It doesn't take into account muscle mass, bone density, or body composition. Someone who is very muscular may have a higher BMI, but not carry excess body fat. Similarly, BMI doesn't measure fat distribution, which is important for understanding risks associated with obesity. But for most people, BMI offers a quick and easy way to assess general health. It gives you an actionable figure that you can work on improving, along with the tips in this guide. What does your BMI tell you about your weight loss journey? If your BMI is above the normal range, don't be discouraged. This is your starting point, not your final destination. Use it as a motivator to take control of your health and move toward a healthier, more vibrant you. Losing weight and getting your BMI into a healthier range is a journey of small, consistent changes. And that's where this guide comes in. We'll provide you with all the tools you need to lower your BMI gradually and sustainably. without crash diets, extreme workouts, or quick fixes. It's about creating lifelong habits that ensure your BMI stays healthy long after the 6-month mark. A healthy BMI is within reach. This chapter has laid the foundation for understanding BMI and why it's so important to keep it in check. In the chapters to come, we'll dive deeper into practical strategies that will help you lower your BMI in a way that's effective and lasting. From dietary changes and exercise routines to lifestyle tweaks, you'll have everything you need to achieve your goal. Remember, your BMI is just a reflection of your current health status, not a reflection of who you are or what you can achieve. You have the power to make changes that will positively impact your life, and this guide will show you how. So let's embark on this journey together. By the end of this guide, you'll not only understand how to achieve and maintain a healthy BMI, but you'll also feel empowered to make decisions that lead to a happier, healthier you for life.